Hello, if you want to check the battery level of your AirPods Pro 2nd generation on the iPhone or iPad, then you've got two methods. First, you can simply go into the settings and open your AirPods. And here you can find battery level of your charging case and the left and the right AirPod. But also we can go into the widgets, they are located here. And you can simply view the battery level right here. Wait a minute, I just lost this one. Okay, so if you cannot find it also, you can search for a battery widget. Yeah, not like this. Wait a minute. We have to just click and hold the screen. Go for edit, go for widget, and here we have to tap a battery. It will be visible, so we can pick one of them, for example this one. And now we can put it wherever you want, for example right here. And you can view the battery level. So that will be all. Thanks for watching.